Hi there! In this video I'm going to talk about the contents and the benefits of this course. If you are using Oracle SQL in somewhere, you can use PL/SQL too, because they work together since Oracle database has both by default. And if you can use SQL plus PL/SQL, you are much more valuable than your friends. Actually, I don't want to mention so much about the value of PL/SQL. If you work with SQL, you know that already. Let's talk about the content. In this course, you will learn everything about PL/SQL in depth with all examples. So what are these contents? First, you will see how to set up the environment for PL/SQL, database installation, and SQL developer setup. Then we will start with what is PL/SQL and why PL/SQL. You will learn how important it is. You will learn the architecture of PL/SQL. You need to know what you are dealing with. This will help you to learn PL/SQL easier and use it more efficient. Then we will start with writing our first simplest code. Now we need to know the variables to store and manipulate data easily. After that, you will learn how to use the control structures, if clauses, loops, etc. The standard things like in every programming language. Now we are ready to deal with data. You will learn how to add, use and modify data with using SQL plus PL/SQL. Then you will learn maybe the most used structure, cursors. You will walk through a bulk data one by one. Then the power of a programming language, functions, procedures, and packages. Then you will learn how to deal with errors with using exceptions. Now you need to learn how to debug your program to inspect unexpected errors. This is extremely useful. Then a great power. You will learn how to create a dynamic SQL. This is what you expect from an SQL query, but you cannot find. Then composite data types. This is what you know as arrays, collections, etc. in other programming languages. Now something really good. You will learn how to use PL/SQL like an object-oriented programming. Then you will learn triggers. Triggers are what you will need in every day of your programming life. You will be able to control the data now. Then some great packages that will ease your business and code. Oracle supplied packages. Then you will learn how to use PL/SQL compiler. This is something to make you different. Then you will learn how to deal with large objects like files, images, etc. And the performance and tuning. You will learn how to write perfect codes, or you will be able to tune your friends' codes. Pretty cool. Then a really advanced thing, result caching. Now you need to know how to secure your code and data. Then a pretty helpful subject, hints. Then the dependencies of objects in PL/SQL. Then you will learn how to add more power to PL/SQL using Java and C in PL/SQL. You will find much more subjects about PL/SQL in the last section. Basically, you will learn more than everything about PL/SQL with many examples, quizzes, and materials. What you need to do is just get inside and advance your career.